you have a school full of kids and there's no way our parents can come, or anybody can, they come in the front door and they come right into the building. We could have an entrance way that we wouldn't have people coming straight into the building. They would have to go into the office vestibule first, and then they could enter the building. So it's just really good for us because it would make me as a principal feel better about the safety of our kids. It is so busy. Our buses right now have trouble getting in to where they need to be. Our parents are waiting in line forever. So this new parking lot is going to be everything for us. It's just going to help our community. It's going to help the traffic flow on the main streets, and just to make sure that our kids are safe here. And it's very frustrating for neighbors who want to get out and on the street, because at drop off and pickup time, and I hate it for them, but we just don't have any more room to put anybody anywhere. And we have to wait till a certain time to let the kids in. So when we do that, the traffic backs up onto Milburn, and it's just not good. And so just to keep everybody safe, that is really going to help us out.